Hello everyone, welcome to Magic in Color. I had a couple questions in regards to the borders of my completed Disney pages, and it's just washi tape around the corners. So I just wanted to show you guys how to complete this look for your pages. If you enjoy this small tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and pick out a page from Susla Ocean. I know I have a couple completed pages on here without borders, like you can see right now. Let's go ahead and start with Atlantis. This page, I love this page. I have a couple of glitter washi tapes. The glitter does not get on your hands or it doesn't go anywhere, which I love these washi tapes. So I think I'm going to go ahead with like this baby bluish silver color washi tape. It's really pretty. I think it will look really nice on this page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to these washi tapes in the description below. It should be in my Amazon. Here we have the double-sided strong glue. This is just extra adhesive. It is optional. I do recommend it. Some people say their washi tape does come off, but with this it doesn't. Sometimes you can put it just on the corners or straight through. It doesn't have to be, but yeah, just a little tip. So let's just get started. I'm gonna go ahead and place the glue on the paper. See, you can just put it on the edges like I did, or just for a better example, just put it straight through as well. It doesn't matter. So just start with your washi tape. This part can get a little bit tricky because you do want to cover all the white, and the edges of the book is very hard to get in there, but it just takes a couple tries and you get it done. Once you get it placed the way you want it, just get a pair of scissors and cut it off. Now let's go ahead and finish the rest of the page. I'm going to do the same steps all over again with the glue. You can do it the whole way through or just the corners. For this example, I'm just going to continue to do it the whole way through. So once you cut this part, obviously the sizes of the borders are different for each page. So at the top, you're gonna have extra washi tape. I just like to tuck it in, like fold it in, only because I know that at some point I am going to color the back of this page and I am gonna cover that with another kind of washi tape. You can go ahead and cut the rest of the washi tape if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing again. There is extra washi tape, and just go ahead and fold it in and repeat the process. So now we're ready for the middle, which is the trickiest of all. But it is pretty easy once you get used to it. With the glue, I just put a little bit, like little dots of glue. It doesn't need to be perfect because it is in the middle. Usually it's gonna stay on because the book is gonna be closed and putting pressure on it. But what you want to do is take the washi tape and take your scissors. It's a little bit tedious, but it's to make it look lovely. So just cut a little bit of it, as you can see as I'm doing it here, and then I'll show you what to do. Because the piece needs to be smaller than the rest of the borders and we don't have the option to fold it in, we do have to do this step. but you want the ugly side to be facing inwards, and the nice side, you want it to be facing towards the character. That way, no one sees the ugly side because it's going to be facing the middle, the center of the book. And then just repeat the process again till you complete it. I kind of missed a spot at the beginning of this side, so I'm just going to cut a little bit there and then place it on the other side just to make it look nice. And then voila! You have a really nice border for your completed page, and it just looks beautiful. Leave a comment below if you tried this with your completed page. I would love to know. And if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Bye!